Hi friends, today we are going to learn about list of web elements. When a user locate the web element, making an interaction with the web page using the find element and find elements. Find element can be used to identify only one web element within the web page, whereas find elements, as the name itself says, it can identify the list of web elements within a web page. And the find elements, it will return the list of web elements if the by using the by object as the parameter. Suppose if it doesn't matches any element with the locator value, then it will return an empty list. We have different types of web elements here, such as link, button, image, text area, checkboxes, radio button, drop down list, etc. Let me try to explore on Flipkart website today. And in the Flipkart website, we can see like multiple images and multiple drop down options and multiple list items, and also multiple footer links here. If we want to get the footer links text, we have like list of footer links here. Like if you want to get the list of footer links, we can use find elements here. Let me try to locate this first. Yes, inside the anchor tag here, all the web footer links are there. Using the X path, we will try to identify it. Div class name is this. We will try to traverse from here to here. Tag name is div at the rate class attribute will take and value is this. Yeah, yeah. Okay, one of one. It is highlighting. Yeah, yes, 26. It is matching with 26, but here we have only 21 footer links. Let me try to sort it out through class name. X path will create it. Yes, 21. Perfect. Let me take this X path. Yeah, and we will create a class here. Footer links. We'll keep this X path here and the general setups. Yes, and syntax is list of web element. This is the object element name and through by locator strategy and locator value. Using the find elements, we are finding and we are storing it in list of web elements, and we will return this list of web elements. List of web element. So list of web element, object name will give it as list is equal to driver dot find elements. Here also we can see a find element and find elements we have. So we want to return the list of web elements today, right? Because we have multiple links and we want all of these links text now. So we will use list of web elements by dot xpath and paste this xpath here. Okay, let me import this web element and list, and we have to traverse through all the list. Now we have got the list of web elements. Now we want to print each of those web elements, right? We have multiple footer links here and multiple footer links here, and for each of those we have to traverse and we have to get the text of this each text footer text, right? So what we will do is we will use for loop and web element li is to list. We have this list of web elements. Through that, for each of the list of web element, we will traverse and we will get the text of the list item, each of those, and we will store it in a string. String footer links is equal to li dot. We want to get the text, right? So we'll use get text. Get text, yes, and print it. Footer links. Footer links, then we can using the size we can get the like number of list item. List dot size. Now execute. Oh, sorry, I forgot to print it, right? We have to print it. System dot out dot println li list. Now we will execute. Yes, we'll see the console now. Yes, here we go. 21 footer links and all the footer links text.